motivated. I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter. You're a fire starter, twisted fire starter. I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter. We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really
Meek?
understand.
Meek?
We laugh for a moment
Meek?
and start to cry.
Meek?
We were crazy.
Si Miko, masabi kong Meek yan. Kasi napakamahinahon niyang pagkausap mo. Yung tipong parang walang pressure, pero alam mo na nape-pressure na siya. Lalo-lalo nung high school night kasi siya yung na-assign sa committee namin sa decoration. Alam mo yun na kahit nape-pressure na siya, nakangiti pa rin siya. Natutuwa ko sa kanya kasi parang isa siya sa mga masisipag na officer ng student government. So, kaya masabi ko siya sa Meek dahil napakahinahon niya.
But here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the
Kim.
rain,
Kim?
for the laughter
Kim.
and tears.
Ayan, si Kaloy masipag yan.
Not to
Magaling.
mention our doubts
And
and
napaka-loyal
our
at sobrang
fears.
peaceful. Nakala ko
Hypertension
mayabang siya.
regained
Pero
to
nung
our
nakilala ko siya,
ears.
na-realize ko na mabait pala siya.
To look back
Mabait
after
yan,
all
pero
of
may sense
these
lahat ng mga
years.
pinagsasabi niya. Talagang mamiss ko yan, lalo na yung pag-ibig mabait ka sa akin.
To you,
Si Kaloy
my
nasisipin, kuya mo yan, Tex.
We'll see
Kaya mamimiss
each
ko
other
talaga yan.
again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will
Zealous.
stay with you,
Zealous.
my friend.
Daddy, zealous yan kasi hardworking siya. I mean, hindi naman siya palaging nag-a-attend ng meeting, pero pag nandyan siya, nasa-spark yung araw namin. As in, kasi siya yung close friend ko sa SG. And zealous talaga siya, hardworking. He does his best as the auditor. And, he's always my best friend. He's not only zealous when it comes to work, but zealous also when it comes to friendship. So, that's what I have to say about my good friend, Zali, the zealous.
With you, my friends, with only you.
Responsible.
Responsible?
Responsible talaga. Very dedicated siya, committed sa kanyang trabaho bilang treasurer. Hindi makita sa kanya na responsible kasi parang lagi siya nagpapasaya sa FG, pero once na nakilala mo siya mabuti, talagang makita mo yung effort niya na ma-accomplish lahat ng mga tasks ng SG.
We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end
Jolly.
of everything.
Jolly kaya yan.
I'd be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you,
Just.
My
Just.
friends with you.
Just. Naman, no, ang isang word na pwede kong i-describe sa kanya at sa palagay ko sa iba ay pagiging just. Kasi napaka makatarungan niyan sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi siya masabing pro or anti, kundi talaga masabi ko pro-student siya. Kung ano yung mga bagay na alam niya magbe-benefit ang mga estudyante, kay gusto man o ayaw man niya ng mga kapwa niya estudyante, talagang sinasabi niya sa akin. At totoo lang, nung una, ayoko dyan eh. Kasi naman, parang hindi ko siya feel. Pero bandang huli, I realize na napaka buting leader man lang ito ni Justin. Although, minsan, medyo nagkakatampuhan, pero Justin is Justin. So, itong si Justin talaga masabi kong isa sa mga mabubuting leader na na-handle ko.
Guys, good luck sa inyo. Salamat sa lahat ng mga pinagsamahan natin, sa kalokohan, sa lahat ng saya, sa experience. Good luck sa inyo. After ng graduation, good luck sa mga mangyayari sa inyo. Sana ma-share nyo rin sa ibang tao yung mga natutunan nyo dito sa student government.
Okay.
Thank you sa lahat ng support at tulong during the term. Sana salamat rin na naging inspiration kayo sa buhay ko at sana sa ibang mga tao na kilala niyo.
Guys, paano na yan? Sa college na kayo. Well, sabi ko lang, thank you talaga for all the experiences and everything that all the challenges that we face. They will prepare you for your future endeavors. And I have to thank you also because you really helped me a lot. All I can say is that our experience together, the best. Really the best. So what more can I say? Well, yeah. Really, I can't say anything. Just good luck na lang and God bless you.
So, mula sa aming dito, siguro hindi nasa meron kami minutes of mula sa amin, para sa inyo, Miko, Aloy, Zaldi, Renny, Jalek, and Justin. We wish you all the best. Sa ibang yung natataasan nyo sa college. Sana kung ano yung natutunan nyo dito sa school, magiging leader, madala nyo dyan sa college. And we hope for the best para sa inyo. So guys, thank you sa lahat. At good luck sa college muli. And see you soon.